Devauna Mum. Devauna Mum.
So many sneers, but all those also nears weigh you down through the years. But I still see that tackle by Moore, and when Lineker scored, Bobby Belt in the ball, and Nobby dancing 3 lines on a shirt. Jules Lemay still gleaming, 30 years of hurt never stopped me dreaming.
England have done it in the last minute of extra time. What a save! Good old England! England that couldn't play football! England have got it in the bag!
I know that was then, but it could be again. It's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming